Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are tuning in from part 1, this is part 2 of my You Are Going to Fail series. Thumbnail. Anyway, I wanted to make this a little bit shorter. I felt like the last one was a little long and I rambled a little bit. So I just want to get punchy with my point here, which is failure is more of a foe than a friend. And let me explain real quick. A lot of people out there, and on the topic of failure, treat failure as a very, I guess, normal thing. And yes, it is normal. And this point kind of contradicts a little bit of what I said in the previous video, but I think the main point here is that failure isn't something that you should be treating as friendly, because at the end of the day, a fail is a fail, and a fail is gonna hurt. And so you have to keep in mind that through failure, there has to be some sort of action that will allow you to bounce back. And by the way, if you haven't watched part 1 yet, please click that thingy up there to watch part 1. Yeah, I mean, who can denounce the great Al Pacino, who once said,
My father taught me many things here. He taught me in this room. He taught me, keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
and by keeping failure closely monitored, you're able to see what can be done differently. And if failure was a friend and I hung around with that friend every day, I'd get comfortable with that friend and I wouldn't be able to change or grow. And so you got to treat failure as that one friend, to use as an example of not to be like and to avoid replicating. So treat failure as something that is meant to be, I guess, the opposite of what you want to be. And so yeah, basically that's it of all what I want to say. Like, failure is something that shouldn't be treated too friendly. You really gotta watch out for anything that may seem pleasing in times of failure, because failure can't just be a one hit and okay, let's do it again. And if we do the same thing and it turns out the same way, then then I guess it's just the way that it is. Like, no, you can't let that be the final producer of what your outcome should be. You have to take ownership of how you want, who you want to hang out with and involve yourself with. We all have the capability to set ourselves apart from things that we shouldn't involve ourselves in, and so it's easy to fall into things that are very popular, and when things are being said, it's easy to follow and easy to follow trends. And so yeah, your failures, don't treat them like a friend. Like, treat them as if they were debt. And when you accumulate debt, there's no way that you're gonna get out of it if you just keep accumulating it. And so start making a change, building habits, building good habits that will allow you to act and think fast when it comes to failures that may arise. I'm a firm believer in people being able to create an action, whether it's good, whether it's mediocre, like whatever it is, it's something, and the more you do it, just like anything, you get better at it. And so tying into my first point in my first part of the video, make suitable actions and create them in a way where it's habitual and recognizable. And so, like, you're able to connect a response to something that is that is almost like a problem that needs to be resolved. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys got something out of this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my third part of the "you are going to fail" idea, because at the end of the day, we all know that we are only humans, and that alludes to the next topic for the third part of this educational video. So yeah, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.